Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Annette and today I'm going to show you how to make Pav Bhaji with bread. If anyone out there is new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to begin with, first I have kept a pan on the gas stove. See that you keep it on a medium flame. Once the pan is hot, we are going to add into this 1 tablespoon of butter. So once the butter has been melted, we are going to add 2 medium sized roughly chopped tomato. Now these are some mixed vegetables which I have boiled, that is steamed. So you can add whichever type of vegetable that you like. So we are going to put 1 cup of vegetables into it. They can be green peas. You can add capsicum, carrot, corn, whatever you like. I will also add 2 medium-sized boiled potato. We will add half cup of water. We will add half a teaspoon of salt into it. I will not add much salt at this moment because I had already added salt while boiling the vegetables. We will now cover the lid and allow it to cook for 10 minutes on low flame. So now our 10 minutes are done. You can see it has already cooked nicely. Now what we will do is, we will mash this till it is nice and smooth. Now this is somewhat the texture that you get after you mash the vegetable. So now into this we will add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of haldi powder, that is turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon full of Pav Bhaji masala. We will also add a handful of coriander leaves. Mix all this well. Now once you have mixed, we are going to stick this into the edges and we are going to make a gap in between to add our next ingredient, that is 1 tablespoon of butter, add half a teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala more. We will add 1 finely chopped onion, a few more coriander leaves, half lime we are going to squeeze, mix all of this, add very little food color. Now this is totally optional, if you want you can add. Now add more water and see the consistency of your Pav Bhaji. Gradually add water little by little till your consistency is done. And our Pav Bhaji is ready. Now next for the bread we are going to keep a pan on the gas stove. So now once the pan is hot, we are going to add a tablespoon of butter, a pinch of chili powder, pinch of Pav Bhaji powder, a little coriander. Take a bread or two, slice it in the middle and then put it in it and rub it off. So our Pav Bhaji is all ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching the recipe. If you did like, please do like, share and subscribe and also to try it out and let me know in the comment section how well it turned out. Till then I'm going to catch you guys next time with yet another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.